Oh, there we go. It's because Daddy's an idiot.
That's okay.
So, nobody really got the full effect of the rice pudding on the face. But now they got it.
Yum. Is that good? Is that good stuff? Yes, it is. You're such a big girl. Yeah.
Look at her.
She's doing great. Not too much.
Oh man, this camera's shaking every time I laugh. I'm sorry. But it's so cute.
Yay!
What do you think of that, Mackenzie?
I'm going to have to change your bib and give you a bath by the time this is over. Oh, you gotta close your mouth after the spoon gets in.
See, but I want it now.
Oh, no. Oh, there you go. So good. So good. That was a good one.
Half of a good one.
Yay.
Is that good, honey?
Mackenzie, you want more?
Alright, I'm going to pause this because I'm too weak to hold this camera. Is that sad?
No.
P90X, the son of a bitch. But Mackenzie is eating big girl food now. And we thought that you guys would want to see it.
Yay.
So this will be on YouTube probably tonight, which means you guys will be watching it over and over and over again. Because it's just so damn cute.
Say bye, Mackenzie.
Bye, Mackenzie.
Bye.
Haha.